What's good? It's your boy Spaz. You already know we back here with another episode of SpazTV.
You're right. Turn the lights down. Turn the lights down. Lights out, nigga. Turn the lights down. Turn the lights down. Lights out, nigga. Now turn it off. Turn it off. Turn it off. Lights out, nigga. Turn the lights down. Turn the lights down. Lights out, nigga. I'm a nightmare. Freddy Cougar. I'm pissing on him. Everybody run up to the bathroom. Pissing on him. I'm R. Kelly. I'm pissing on him. I look like R. Kelly. I'm pissing on him. I feel like R. Kelly. I'm pissing on him. Everybody run to the bathroom if you pissing on him. I'm pissing on him. My name is Spaz. I'm about to go ham all up in that. Pause. I don't mean to fluster. I got your girls under my honey nut clusters.
Hey, if you hear me, let me know.
We got a great show. I want you to sit back, laugh, have a good time, and I'll see you in a minute.
Yo, go get her. Sexy as shit. I'm getting clearer. Don't let her know I told you.
And mommy's looking like America's top model. She said your earring, look at that thing. That's even bigger than the rock on my ring. Now she got a man, place for the Hawks. I'm like, come on, ma, you know I run New York. Jay's in the background, put you to bed. Says he got brains, so I'm looking ahead. And I'm looking for bread, I gotta eat on these streets. 17.5, about to holler at keys. I'm a real G, real G's do real things. And I can keep a secret, is the song that I sing.
Come on,
You're right. Turn the lights down. Turn the lights down. Lights out, nigga. Turn the